Welcome to the Mekong Flood and Drought Forecast channel. This is with Surin from the Mekong River Commission. Let's start with the rainfall update today. Over the past 7 days, light to moderate rainfall was observed across the lower Mekong Basin, including northern and southern Laos PDR, central Cambodia, the 3S Basin, and the Mekong Delta. In the next 7 days, the lower Mekong Basin is expected to experience no rainfall to light rainfalls. Next, let's move to the drought monitoring and forecasting. Over the past 7 days, no drought conditions were observed across the most of lower Mekong Basin. Some areas, however, experienced mild droughts, including Bolikhamxay, Khammouane, Champasak, Savannakhet in Laos PDR, 𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗏 Surin, Ubon Ratchathani in Thailand, and in Vihear, Banteay, Otdar, Battambang, Pursat, Kampong Speu in Cambodia. In the forecast of coming week, no drought conditions are expected in the most areas except Buriram, Chanthaburi, Nakhon Ratchasima, Kaeo in Thailand, and in Siem Reap, Banteay, Otdar, Battambang, Pursat in Cambodia. Now, let's look at the water level situation in the Mekong River. Currently, the water level at 22 stations along the main stream is at normal condition. In the next 7 days, the water level along Mekong mainstream are forecasted to decrease from 0.3 to 1.8 meters. According to MRC monitoring threshold, water level from Chiang Saen to Tan Chao and Chao Dok remain within normal hydrological conditions, are not expected to affect daily activity along the river. The information provided here is meant for easy communication to the public. Please check out our website, report, and download the One Mekong mobile app for more technical details and get the most update from the communities. This concludes our forecast today. Please follow us to get the latest update on the rainfalls, water level, and droughts of the Mekong River during the dry season. Goodbye for now. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.